Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity stock trading app, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Fidelity stock trading app on your mobile device. Ensure your internet connection is stable. On the app's home screen, look for the login button and tap it. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Ensure that you input your user ID accurately. Next, tap on the password field. Type in your password carefully. Double-check for any typos or incorrect characters. Once both fields are filled in, look for the login button. Tap the login button to proceed. If you've enabled biometric login, you may be prompted to use your fingerprint or face recognition. Follow the on-screen prompts if you choose biometric access. If you forget your user ID or password, click on the appropriate link below the login fields. Follow the instructions to recover your access. After a successful login, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can start exploring investment options and manage your portfolio. Always ensure to log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.